Do you do all that? Do you go to the dance clubs and go there with people you don't know?
I mean, I don't make that noise.
Yeah. Why not? That's what you do, isn't it?
Yeah, but there's a lot of booty shaking involved. I do like to go out and dance.
What do you like to listen to when you're dancing then?
Like hip hop or
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, look at you.
I like old school hip hop.
Really?
You know?
What's old school hip hop?
Yeah,
Like,
you know,
like dun 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 and all that kind of stuff.
Oh my God.
What? No?
How old are you?
Oh, it's ancient. I'm 48.